Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello again, all signs, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Gusto ko yung specific. Oo, dun tayo sa specific muna. Anyway, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, palagi, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po, ha, pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, again and again and again, kung mag-i-inquire po, ha, sa PM po. Okay, mag-PM po, wag comment para maiwasan na rin yung ma-scam. Okay, meron kasi talagang mga gumagaya ng ating page and pwedeng sila yung magme-message or magre-reply sa inyo sa comment section and then yari na, no? So, akalain nyo kami yon, pero hindi kami sumasagot po ng inquiries kapag sa comment section. Malinaw po yun. Okay? So, again, isa-isahin natin itong ating mga items. Kung ayaw niya makinig, you can skip the video sa reading. Okay? So, there. So, ito yung ating 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na ating evil eye protection. Kung kayo ay may na purchase, okay, na hindi nyo nakikita dito, sorry, sad to say, scam po, no? Na-scam kayo. Ginamit lang siguro yung aking name, ginaya lang yung name para sa kanila ka mag-purchase. I'm so sorry. May chance sa comment section ka tanong. Or ikaw itong nag-PM pero mali ang iyong na-PM, kundi yung scammer. Paki-check pong maigi. Okay, maging vigilant. Okay, so yes, ito yung ating 4 na sample ng ating mga evil eye protection. Again, ito yung garterized na evil eye bracelet. Okay, so ganyan siya. Evil eye bracelet natin, number 1. Okay, so yun yung ating garterized. Okay, so ito naman yung ating customize. Okay, customize po ito kasi pwede nyo pong ipagawang red kung gugustuhin yung red at ipalagay yung inyong initial. Okay, so nagkakaiba-iba dito. Ang hindi lang po natin pwedeng ipatanggal dyan is itong 5. Okay, yung 5 evil eye na nandito. May kanya-kanya yan na job description. Okay, so ang pwede lang ipapalit or iba is yung color nitong string at itong tawag dyan, initial. Okay, kung bata ang gagamit yun, pwede rin po, no? Pwedeng ipa-customize yung tawag dyan, yung haba, no? Yung laki, nung bracelet. And syempre, yung ating ring, this is adjustable. Nothing to worry pagdating po sa sizes. Okay? Pwede po ba yan sa size 6? Pwede po ba yan sa size 10? Pwede po lahat. Adjustable po yung ring natin. Okay? And yung ating evil eye protection necklace. So, this is unisex, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, ang pangat lang talaga, hindi mabigyang justice ng ating camera yung ating mga items, pero ang gaganda niyan in person. Yes, thank you sa mga nakapag-purchase na, no? And yung ating, yung tatlo natin, the big 3 na sinasabi natin. So, ito yung ating una, si Love and Money bracelet. So, madalas ginagamit pagdating sa pagkuha ng connection, pagkuha ng magandang energies. Bakit hindi natin samahan pagdating sa pera? No? Oo, nilagyan natin ng citrine. Okay, citrine stone. So, ito siya. Yan, mga citrine. Nilagyan natin ng citrine stone. Okay, itong ating itong ating love bracelet, para hindi lang love yung makukuha mo, kundi money rin, 'di ba? So pwede mo siyang gamitin sa business, sa work mo, okay? Para makamagnet, okay, ng prosperity, abundance, wealth. Okay, ito po, yun po ang kanyang job description, ha? And trust the process. Maniwala. Okay, kung meron kang doubt dito, then may doubt rin siya sa'yo. Okay, ganun po, ha? Kung nararamdaman nito na ikaw ay may something deep down, ay ewan ko lang, magkakagulo. Okay, so again, nakakatuwa yung mga feedback nito, lalo na meron akong number 1 talaga na client na ang ganda lagi ng feedback nito. I think weekly, so yeah, I'm so sabihin nating happy, no, para sa kanya. Anyway, so yes, yan yung ating 2-in-1 love and money, and yung ating granter necklace. So si granter, again, taga-grant po ng mga minamanifest natin and tagapagbigay ng surprises, at least 2 per week. Okay, so non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, hindi ko masyadong flex. Okay, maniwala na lang kayo. Oo, hindi ko masyado para ipag-flex pa kung anong meron, kung anong kaya, whatsoever. Yun na lang eh. Okay, yun na lang. Yung trust, no? Yung tiwala nyo sa kung anong meron. And yes, napakadalang kong maglabas ng feedback at magpo-post ng feedback. I don't need that. Yes, I don't need that. Okay? Doon na lang sa mga feedbacks, ng mga tao sa akin. Okay na ako doon. Kasi nagtiwala sila eh. Yeah, nagtiwala sila. Anyway, so yung ating cord cutting. Okay, yung cord cut is nagtatanggal, nag-aalis ng alat. The present alat, the incoming alat, no? Mga ganyang bagay. MALAS. Siya yung mag-aalis. Okay? So, yun, no? And syempre, yung ating cleansing kit. Okay, available yung ating cleansing kit. Yes. And, ano ba yan? Ang laman nun ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, taga-charge, taga-recharge ng mga na-drain ng charms and crystals. So, tsaka na namin i-elaborate kung ano bang meron pa. Excuse me. Anyway, so, let's start the reading. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. The reading starts at 8:40. Okay. Air signs. What's for our air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. The 6 of Cups. Reconnecting. Remembering. May magbibigay ng regalo. May nakakamiss. May mangungumusta. Mga ganong bagay. Knight of Swords. Somebody na pwedeng iniisip mo ngayon. Pwedeng iniisip ka rin niya. Okay? Pwedeng, hindi ko alam kung this is unexpected. The Tower. Some of you, kung sino man po yung nasa utak mo ngayon, namimiss mo siya, ganto, ganyan. There's this unexpected. Okay, unexpected message coming from the person maybe, or something like a sign coming from that person. That's specific. Okay? So, parang wala nang masyadong, some of you, nag-no contact kayo, maybe, or matagal na talagang hindi nagkakausap. Pwedeng, unexpectedly, may chance na mag-resurface. Okay? Lalo na sa date. Kung ano man ang date na nasa video. What else? Air signs. The Devil in reversed. The 7 of Cups. I'm hearing iba't ibang opportunities ang darating, and this is, sabihin natin, okay naman. Avoid nyo lang na ma-compromise. Okay? Avoid nyo lang makompromiso. Okay, 8 of Cups, the 4 of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng ito is a schedule or may pupuntahan kayo. Check your notes, check your schedules. Ayaw natin na may mag-overlap or parehong may gantong schedule sa ganitong like that. Okay? So, hindi naman ito ganun na sobrang ka-stressful, pero mas maganda na wala namang ikaka-stress, no? Okay? Mas maganda na yon. Kahit sabihin natin hindi naman masyado nakaka-stress. May stress pa ring dala. Anyway. So, what else? Air signs. The High Priestess. Alam nyo may nakukuha kong energy ng surprise. Energy ng surprise. May mga sinyalis ako nakikita rin dito na ibibigay sa'yo. Pwedeng yung person may ibibigay sa iyo mga signs, kung ano man, okay, na they need to talk. They want to talk. They want to communicate. They want to connect. They want to reconnect, maybe. Something like that. Okay? So, it's like sabihin nating silent actions. Parang ganun. Tawag doon, silent actions nga ba? Like, meron silang ginagawa, pero sana makita mo, ma-decode mo. Parang ganun. Anyway. The 9 of Cups. In reversed. A surprise. There's this person trying talaga na kumonek sa'yo energetically. This, kung ano man ang date na nandyan. Magta-try sila na kumonek sa'yo energetically, mentally. Like, biglang papasok sa utak mo. This is not for all. Pero, okay? The 7 of Pentacles. I don't know. Maybe there's this something na parang ine-expect sila sa'yo. Maybe. Okay. The Queen of Wands universe. May chance kasi na pwedeng hindi ko alam kung meron kayong issue nitong taong to, or pwedeng hindi lang siya talaga ganun ka-confident enough to make action towards you. Okay? Some of you may chance na magbayad pagdating sa isang travel. Okay? So there. Avoid arguing with a fire sign, Cancer. Okay? Pero in general, avoid arguing. Kasi parang pwedeng mabaliktad ka. Okay? So, there. So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, what's for you? Fire signs. Fire signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, let's see what's for our fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Specific message. Prediction. Next. Let's see. The Tower. Unexpected. Kung anong hindi mo ina-expect maybe. Or kung ano man ang ina-expect mo, anong meron dyan sa Tower. The Knight of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng magagamit mo yung inipon mong pera. Okay, like biglaan. Yung inipon mo, pwedeng magagamit mo biglaan. Yung iyong, tawag dyan, alkansya, babasagin mo. Hindi ko alam bakit. Okay? So, yun lang. Napaka-specific nun. What else? The Six of Cups reversed. What's with that? The King of Cups. Merong hihingi ng awa mo. O, diba? Hihingi talaga ng awa, no? Opo. Could be a water sign. Hinihingi yung awa mo. Humihingi ng awa. I don't know. Okay? Be careful na gawing weapon yung emosyon mo. Okay? Be careful na gawin ng ibang tao na weapon yung emosyon mo pagdating sa'yo. Gets nyo? Gets nyo? Kung anong emosyon mo, wag nyo nga hayaan na yun ang gawin nilang sandata pagdating rin sa'yo. Okay? So, it's like, yeah, kailangan nyo maging, sabihin nating cold, detach. Mas maganda hindi nila alam kung ano man, no? Yung mga nararamdaman nyo. There's this water sign in love with you. They are bitter. I don't know why. Why? Oh. May nangyaring pagdistansya. I see some of you, this your ex, still bitter sa nangyaring separation sa inyo. They want another chance with you. What else? Fire signs. Fire signs. They're sneaky. They're being sneaky. The Seven of Swords. So what's with that? The Nine. Yeah, somebody is interested. I think you have a stalker, some of you. Okay? You have a stalker. Who's that stalker? Some of them, yeah, they're attracted sa'yo. Pero, the reason why they're hiding it, it's because some of them, pwedeng meron ng kakonek. Yeah. Meron ng kakonek. Yes, yo. Pwedeng mayroon kayong mga mapapansin sa taong yun. Like, they're playing mind games with you. They're flirting with you. Something like that. Playing jokes. Making jokes, no? Parang ganun. Yeah, see? The Three of Swords. We don't like that. We don't like that. Avoid them. Kung alam nyo, sa sarili nyo na yung tao is already committed, avoid nyo na lang. Okay? May chance kasi na pwedeng merong kukonek sa'yo, magsasabi sa'yo na ganito, ganyan, like kanila, wag nyo nang palalimin. Wag nyo nang palalimin, the High Priestess. Wag nyo nang palalimin. Ang mahirap dito, yung iba sa inyo, gusto mo rin eh. Mahirap to. Okay? Parang okay, gusto ko tong itry. Try lang naman eh. Dun sa pag-try na yon, naku po, doon na nagsimula. So, avoid nyo na lang. Hanggat maaga, hanggat umpisa pa lang. Okay? Some of you, be careful pagdating sa finances ninyo, ha? Okay? Pwede kasing meron ditong, nakakuha ko dito, merong energy na you're trusting this person, pero andun yung energy na pwedeng i-backstab ka or parang andun yung pagnanakaw. Okay? Diretsuhin ko na. Andun yung pagnanakaw. Be careful. Be careful who you trust in general. So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so what is for our water signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Comment down below kung saan kayo ngayon. Saan kayo nanonood. Okay? Anong ginagawa nyo habang nanonood kayo. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay lang yun na mag-comment ng ganon. Okay? So, what's for our water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Ooh! Your first card. The Ten of Pentacles. This is money coming in. Claim it. Claim it. Ten of Pentacles. Could be work. Could be another source of income. Money. Commitments. So, yun po, no? Okay. So, wag na tayong bumunot, yun na lang. Okay. So, what's with the Ten of Pentacles? Yeah. Money going up. Money is going up. And, yeah, another energy of movement. Moving forward. The Eight of Wands. Yeah, your money's going up. Going up. Iba dito, may chance na makapag-abroad at doon mag-work. May chance ng offer. Okay? Iba sa inyo, may careful. Ang tawag dito, protect your energy kasi may mga maiinggit. May mga maiinggit, lalo na yung mga kamag-anak. Lalo na yung mga kamag-anak. Be careful. Ayaw natin masasabotahin. Ilak na natin yon. Okay. Ilak na natin yon. Unahan na natin. Gamit tayo nito. So, ilak na natin to. And this one. Okay. So, there. Relax lang kayo dyan, ha? So, this is for water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, good money. So, what else? For our water signs. Water signs. What's coming in? Sa date na nasa video. The Seven of Cups. Being busy. Okay, being busy. And the Ace of Wands in reversed. Okay. So, nandun yung energy na parang, sa sobrang dami mong ginagawa, may mga makakaligtaan po. May mga makakaligtaan. Lalo na, kung ikaw is merong kaakibat, no? May kasamang pagta-travel po yung work. Okay? I'm hearing somebody na pwedeng nagdi-deliver. Ang daming dala, baka may malaglag. Be careful po. No? Okay, that's so specific. Baka may malaglag. Be careful. Okay? Yeah. Huwag kayo mag-procrastinate. Okay? Stop delaying things. Kahit maraming gagawin, lalo kayo matatambakan kapag hindi nyo gagawin, ha? Okay, so ano pa? The Six of Wands in reversed. Water signs, ang ganda ng energy nyo pagdating sa pera. Pagdating sa pera, pamimera. Pero andun nga ang daming maiinggit. Ang daming maiinggit. Be careful po, ha? Six of Wands in reverse. Protect your energies, please. Kung meron kang evil eye, gamitin mo. Huwag kang manghinayang sa kung ano man. Like, yeah. Ano tong Six of Wands in reverse? The Six of Cups. The Two of Cups. Let's see. Ano tong Six of Wands? Meron ditong kukuha ng attention mo at gusto niya yung attention mo kanya lang. Pwedeng fire, pwedeng fire sign or a fellow water sign. Gusto nila sa kanya ka lang, attention mo kanya lang. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Some of you, sa pamamagitan ng paggagano niya sa'yo, no, makokontrol ka niya eh. May chance na hindi mo magagawa yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin dahil makokontrol ka niya. I don't know kung kailangan mo siyang i-reject, it's up to you. Okay? If you're holding back from them, mas maganda. Yeah. May mga tao, like in general po, no? Na parang kailangan mong sundin sila or kontrolin ka nila and hindi mo na magagawa yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. So, may mga malalagpasan. See? The Fool. Huwag kayong magpapa-control dito. Gawin nyo kung anong kailangan nyong gawin. Okay? Kung sino man ang magre-resurface na to para lang guluhin ka. Well, it's up to you. Okay? So, there. So, claim nyo yung unang energy. Ang ganda nun. Next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, what's for our Earth signs? Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is for our Earth signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. Earth signs. Earth signs. Okay. Page of Pentacles. Could be an offer. Could be a message. Something na pwedeng mag-start. Okay. I'm seeing friendship na pwedeng sumibol. A new friend, maybe a friend request. Okay? Simple friend request. Yeah. There could be two people who is interested pagdating sa'yo. Okay? They will give you mixed signals. Younger. Yeah, the Chariot. May pagpili ako nakikita dito. May pagpili. Okay? Pero I'm hearing hindi pa rin totally makakapag-decide. Okay? An invitation to travel? Wow. I'm hearing an invitation. Meron ditong parang mabibigyan ng award. That's so specific. Not for all. Recognition. Parang ganyan. Awardings. What else for Earth signs? The Nine of Swords. Why? Who's giving you stress? What's giving you stress? What's with that Nine of Swords? The Tower in reversed. What? Somebody is afraid losing you. Somebody is too afraid losing you. Somebody's losing sleep. Okay, they really love you. They really like you. They really need you. They're afraid losing you. Yeah, they want this. They want this. Andun yung energy na parang kinakanya ka na. Oh, parang pagmamay-ari ka na niya. Something like that. they're like overthinking. Okay? Andun yung talaga na parang yung energy is gusto niya kanya-kanya na lang ikaw. Hindi ka pwedeng mapunta sa iba. Gusto ko ikaw forever. Something like that. Takot itong taong tumawala ka sa kanya. Takot siya. Okay? Anong meron? So, I think message lang yun. Okay? Yeah. Ayaw nila na magkaroon ng missed opportunity with you. Some of them, they're too scared pagdating sa separation nga. Okay? Ayaw nila na mawawala ka. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. They want you. Just you. Ayaw na to, naaalisan mo siya. All in, all out sa'yo yung person, earth sign. All in, all out. Could be an air sign, Scorpio, earth sign. Earth sign like you. So what else? What else? Again, Eight of Swords reversed. Somebody wants to talk. Somebody wants to communicate. Parang gusto ko lang kumustahin. What's with that Eight of Swords reversed? Ooh, the Empress. Okay, release lahat ng tension, release lahat ng stress. This is talking about, ito earth signs ha. Kailangan ko ilak to. Ang ganda ng energy. This is progress in general. Some of you, yung may diferensya pagdating po sa reproductive, nakikita ko na parang magkakaroon na po ng sabihin nating paggaling. Iba dito na parang nahihirapan magbuntis. Okay? May chance na yes, makaka-conceive na kayo. Okay, lock natin to. This is nice. This is nice. This is progress, improvement, all in general. Okay? So, this is so good. Lock natin yan. Okay. Iba sa inyo, you're waiting for a result like annulment, divorce. Pwede po na sabihin nating mag-grant na. Oo. So, si granter na yung bahala dyan. Yung may mga granter dyan. Okay, yeah. Being single again, maybe status is going up. Status is going up. Okay? Yung gusto mong mabili. Specific po ha, this is channeled. Yung gusto mong mabili na sobrang tagal mo nang talagang hindi pa nabibili. Iba sa inyo, parang na-stress ka na, hindi ko siya mabili-bili. Mabibili mo na. Mabibili mo na. This is nice. This is so nice. Okay? Yung parang hindi ka na mangangailangan ng pambili kasi meron. Ang ganda ng energy, earth signs. Alam ko, pumapalakpak ang tenga nyo. Okay? Kapag pangat ang reading natin, pangat ang babasahin ko talaga eh. Pero kung maganda, talaga naman. Siyempre, matutuwa rin ako dun. Kung ganun man, ilalak pa natin yun. Okay? Para maklaim, para makuha nyo, para mag-grant. Yeah. Claim it. Claim it. Comment, claim it. I claim it. Comment nyo. Okay? So, this is so nice. Pagtaas patungkol sa pamimera, sa status in general. Okay? Kung hindi man to mangyari dyan sa date na yan, so nasa energy nyo na to. Okay? Basta magtiwala lang kayo. Okay? Magtiwala lang kayo. Nakalak na. Anyway, So there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below, yung ating love letter. So, yun po ha. Again, yeah, dito muna. Hanggang dito na lang muna muli yung ating mga messages. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.